Okay guys, so right now I'm doing a voiceover because I don't have a mic right now to be able to record and do my voice at the same time. So just bear with me. By next week I should be able to get a mic. So market just opened up. Right now we're just gonna be looking through some of the stocks that I saw through my scanner. One of them is my size, ticker symbol MYSZ, and supposedly today they were gonna have a fashion show in New York. So yeah, I was looking at this one, seeing if it bounced off of that support at 130. Now BLDP, also you can see some trend lines, some kind of sloppy trend lines, I guess you could say, and we're seeing if we'll trade it today. Look at a 3-day 20-minute time frame. It's had a uptrend these last 3 days, but now market open is just having a huge sell-off. So we're not gonna do anything with that so far. We'll see how it does throughout the day though. Next, ONTX. Also not really seeing much of value into it. Now we're looking at NLST, and we're seeing so far how it's going. Right now I'm trying to figure out how many shares I'm gonna buy of it, but since this is a voiceover, I'm just gonna tell you guys how it went. So I ended up buying 500 shares, and ended up buying 500 shares. Since it is Monday, at this point in time, I do not have any day trades. So I'm going into this for a swing trade and hopefully selling it off tomorrow for some profit. So I bought into 500 shares and I'm about to buy them. I believe I got in at 44 cents on NLST. So I bought that, and we're just gonna keep looking at it for a little bit. So I got the notification that I purchased the 500 shares for 44 cents for a market buy. Ended up costing me about $220. So I came to my Excel file, my trade tracker for September. Gonna be putting this in. So NLST 0.44. Okay. So right now it's been about 44 minutes. Actually, 14 minutes since the market opened. And one thing happened. So throughout this video, or throughout Monday, I should say, I also bought into TNDM. TNDM had a huge sell-off. So I bought into it expecting to be able to get on the dip, but I wasn't able to get it on video. So at the end of the video, I'll show you guys when I got into TNDM, how I sold it off and what happened with that. Now it's Wednesday and I'm trying to sell off NLST. Now, huge mistake happened Tuesday, because Tuesday I was up on NLST with my 500 shares. I was up $20. And when I went to sell off my 500 shares, I didn't notice, but it was on the buy tab. So instead of selling my 500 shares and logging in those $20 of profit, I ended up buying an extra 500 shares. So that's why here you can see on NLST I have shares 1,000 shares, and just trying to. I didn't really have a plan for this. I was just devastated from yesterday. I mean, I shouldn't have been, because it's not that big of a loss, but still it's a loss. So I'm still seeing, it's 9 a.m. so it's pre-market, seeing if pre-market it goes up, So I end up putting a stop loss at 40 cents flat. I end up putting a stop loss at 40 cents flat, and then I end up getting stop loss at 40 cents flat. And the worst part is that I didn't even know I got stop loss because I didn't get the notification. All I know is that like a minute or two later, it said I had 720 buying power. So you guys will see here in just a minute. So here I go for the stop loss, my bad, at 40 cents. And I'm about to confirm it. I don't even know why I was reading that, to be honest, but so yeah, here I confirmed the stop loss at 40 cents. And just give it a minute, and I hit done. Now, right away, it looks like I already got filled in because like I said, 704 buying power, $704 of buying power, and yeah, I just hadn't even gotten the notification. But point is, I ended up going red that day. So I just tracked it in here, put it that I sold both of them at 0.40. So off of that, I just lost $60 when I was supposed to be $20 in the green. And now, so today I ended up buying SWN. And right now, the editing is a little bit off because of the voiceover and all that, but I ended up buying 50 shares of SWN. I ended up buying 15 shares of FNKO and 50 shares of NBEV. So yeah, and then today on Wednesday, I was having some issues with Robinhood. It just wasn't going through. But yeah, so I'm going to show you guys in just a bit. Going through basically what happened throughout the 3 days of when I bought, when I sold, and all that. So guys, since I didn't have the recording of when I sold TNDM, and I don't have the recording when I bought FNKO and NBEV, I'm just gonna go over my Robinhood account really quick. So as you guys can see, I have 50 shares of NBEV, which is currently up $63. I have 15 shares of FNKO, which has me red $16. And I have 50 shares of SWN, which is up $10. And I'll show you guys in my trade tracker. TNDM, I bought it at $40.78, and I sold it at $40.44. That was only 0.83% negative, so I only lost $4, not too bad. Right now, these are obviously unrealized profits because I still have the stocks. But currently, I'm up 10 on SWN, 63 on NBEV, and down 16 on FNKO. SWN, right now, I see as a swing trade. I'm probably going to have it for, I'd say, something about like 3 days. Let me just show you guys my TD Ameritrade. Let me just go to this. There we go. So, SWN. Oops. So as you can see, we'll go to the 180 day. So right now it's in a bullish trend. As you can see, it has these nice ups, these nice peaks, and then comes back down, peaks up, comes down. So right now it looks, well, to me, like it's having a reversal and it's gonna go back up. So I bought in at, how much did I buy in at? Oops, sorry about that. I bought SWN at 531. So let's go to. So I bought in around right over here. And so far it's had a 3.68% growth, but if I can just, let's go out of some of this. So I bought in at 531. Just 532 for now because I'm not going to be able to get it right. So it has about, I'd say 16% to get up there, but I'll probably end up selling it at around 5.87 cents because there's a previous high of 605, so there's probably going to be resistance around here. So I'll probably sell it at around 5.86. Now, let's go back to this. So SWN is going to be a hold. Right now I'm up 10. And Bev, tomorrow, as soon as pre-market opens, we'll see how it's doing. And then we'll probably set off just to lock in those profits, because if we do go to NBEV, it is all like it's really overbought. You can see here on the RSI indicator. And if we look at the, I'm pretty sure, yeah, this is the 180 already. So it's already at an all-time high. So I'm pretty sure once pre-market hits, it'll probably start getting a little bit of sell-offs, people trying to lock in their profits. But I do see it's coming down to a dip, testing the resistance at 358. And then if it does bounce back up, I might go back into it for another buy-in. If it does go down, we'll see. We'll keep monitoring it, see what we can do from this. So yeah, tomorrow morning I'll be selling NBEV. Now let's go to FNKO. FNKO, I also see it as a swing trade. I'm probably gonna be holding this for about 2 to 3 more days. As you can see, it had an all-time high of $31. It's dipping down and it looks like it's coming back up. It's having its reversal. Let's go to the 10-day. So I bought in at $21.96. So I bought in right around here. Yeah, right around there. So I bought here because I was expecting it to shoot back up today, but it did have a sell-off, and then I'm guessing between the next 2 to 3 days it'll come back up. It's not that, it's kind of in the middle of the RSI, so we'll see how that does. And yeah, I just wanted to show you guys that since I didn't have the recordings. Let me just show you guys this screen. So right now for the 3rd week of September, I am down 99.99%, $9 off, because I did lose $60 some off of NLST and TNDM. And right now I'm pretty up, making it back. So hopefully I can get that money back and see where it goes from there. So if I go to the 1 week, I started this account with $1,000, then I lost some money, went down to $984, lost some more money, and here's with the Neo hype, I was able to get all the way up to 171, 18% in 2 days, Thursday and Friday of last week. And this week it's just been up and down. So yeah, tomorrow I'll probably lock in my profit for NBEV. And now I got back I got back 2 day trades. So tomorrow I should be able to scalp some stocks and hopefully make some profit tomorrow.